This is how you do a backflip. But it's kind of like not a backflip. Look. Oh! This is how you do the double. This is how you do the double. The double.
Alright, so we're gonna
That's double.
Alright, so we're all gonna be doing the same thing. And so first we're gonna be doing cartwheels. So 3, 2, 1, watch out! Watch out. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So how do you like that? So reach it.
Alright, so next is a handstand with walking. I know you guys ain't. Okay, that's kind of like it. Next step. Alright, now the next step is we're gonna be doing a front flip. But we gotta do this on the bed because it's so hard. Yes, and we gotta, so, we gotta go up on the bed and do this front flip and back flip because we gotta do that. And then after that, we can be done. So, okay, we'll see you later.
We're in a room, so I'm gonna do a front flip on the bed, but not no back flip. It's because
She bust your eye last night.
Get out of it. Okay, we're ready. I'm not eating. Forgot my
Oh, that's
Yeah, get over there. Okay, I just had a little trouble about my cousin Evan because he just messed up. Alright, I'm going to do a front flip in 3, 2, 1, go. And you have to do it in my
Alright, this is my front flip, guys. In 3. Not easy, but we're gonna do a back flip first. You gotta make sure you jump really high so you can stand up. I can't stand up. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
That's going to hurt if it's like.
Now I'm going this way. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, alright, I'm about to do a back flip in 3, 2, 1, go. I can just